In today's competitive business landscape, efficient delivery is paramount. How do businesses measure their delivery performance accurately? One crucial metric stands out: on time in full, or OTIF. OTIF provides a comprehensive view of a company's ability to deliver the right products to the right customers at the right time, in the right quantity and in the right condition. It goes beyond simply tracking whether an order arrived on time. It delves deeper to assess the completeness and accuracy of deliveries. By embracing OTF, businesses can unlock benefits like enhanced customer satisfaction, improved supply chain efficiency, and increased profitability. In today's customer-centric market, delivering on promises is non-negotiable. OTIF plays a pivotal role in ensuring customer satisfaction by providing a reliable and consistent delivery experience. When customers receive their orders on time and in full, it builds trust and loyalty. Conversely, late or incomplete deliveries can lead to frustration, complaints, and even lost customers. Efficient OTIF performance translates into reduced costs and increased profitability. When deliveries are made on time, businesses can optimize their inventory levels, minimize storage costs, and reduce waste. By prioritizing OTF, companies can create a virtuous cycle of efficiency, satisfaction, and profitability. High OTIF scores lead to happy customers who are more likely to place repeat orders. To fully grasp the concept of OTF, it is essential to understand its two key components: on time and in full. On time refers to the timely delivery of an order as agreed upon with the customer. This means that the order arrives at the designated delivery point within the specified delivery window. In full pertains to the completeness and accuracy of the delivered order. It means that the order contains all the items ordered by the customer in the correct quantities and without any damage or discrepancies. Both on time and in full are equally important in achieving optimal OTIF performance. The OTIF metric is calculated by dividing the number of perfect orders by the total number of orders shipped. A perfect order is defined as an order that is delivered on time, in full, with accurate documentation and in the right condition. For instance, if a company ships 100 orders and 85 meet all the criteria for a perfect order, the OTIF score would be 85%. This indicates that 85% of the orders were delivered on time, in full, with accurate documentation and in the right condition. By tracking and analyzing their OTIF scores, businesses can gain valuable insights into their delivery performance. Identifying areas for improvement becomes easier with a clear OTIF metric. Section 5. OTF in action, production and retail scenarios. The concept of OTF can be applied to various industries and business scenarios. In a manufacturing setting, OTF is crucial for maintaining a smooth and efficient production process. For instance, consider a car manufacturing plant that relies on a network of suppliers for various components. If a supplier fails to deliver the required parts on time and in full, it can disrupt the entire production line, leading to delays and increased costs. By closely monitoring OTIF performance, the car manufacturer can identify and address potential bottlenecks in the supply chain. In the retail industry, OTF is paramount for ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining a competitive edge. Imagine a customer who orders a new smartphone online from a retailer. The customer expects the smartphone to be delivered on the promised date and in perfect condition. If the retailer fails to meet these expectations due to delays or damaged goods, it can result in a negative customer experience. By prioritizing OTF, retailers can ensure timely and accurate deliveries, enhancing customer satisfaction and fostering loyalty. Section 6. The impact of OTF efficiency, satisfaction and profitability. The impact of OTF extends far beyond just timely deliveries. High OTF scores are indicative of a well-oiled supply chain. When deliveries are consistently on time and in full, it streamlines internal processes, reduces errors, and minimizes wasted time and resources. Inventory management becomes more efficient, warehousing costs are minimized, and transportation logistics are optimized. OTF is directly linked to customer satisfaction. When customers receive their orders on time and as expected, it builds trust, loyalty, and positive brand perception. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend the company to others. Improved operational efficiency leads to cost savings, while enhanced customer satisfaction drives revenue growth. By consistently delivering on time and in full, businesses can optimize their operations, reduce expenses, and increase sales. Section 7. Strategies for OTF. Improvement, collaboration, and optimization. Achieving high OTF scores requires a proactive approach. Companies need to address bottlenecks, optimize processes, and foster collaboration with suppliers. Accurate demand forecasting ensures the right products are available at the right time. Leveraging data helps anticipate demand and adjust inventory levels. Efficient production scheduling and inventory management are essential. Collaboration and communication are paramount for high OTF performance. Section 8. Conclusion: embracing OTF for supply chain excellence. In today's fast-paced and customer-centric business environment, OTF has emerged as a critical metric for measuring and improving supply chain efficiency. By embracing OTF, businesses can unlock a world of benefits, including enhanced customer satisfaction, improved operational efficiency, and increased profitability. OTF is not just about delivering products on time, it's about delivering on promises. It's about building trust with customers, optimizing internal processes, and creating a culture of excellence throughout the supply chain. By prioritizing OTF and implementing the strategies outlined, businesses can transform their supply chains into engines of efficiency, satisfaction, and profitability. Embracing OTF is not just a choice, it's a necessity for achieving sustainable success in today's competitive marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on mastering supply chain efficiency.